Hello, I just wanted to go over something really quick. Part of the reason why I love Thailand so much is there are some things that they're kind of bizarre or unique, crazy, whatever you want to call them. Here's one of those things. So this is, as you can see, Colgate toothpaste, right? Got this in the States, just what you would expect. Toothpaste. Just plain and simple toothpaste, right? So I got this the other day because I'm getting low. Same thing, Colgate toothpaste. So here's the bizarre thing. When I got it and opened it up, there you go. Black and red. Never saw black toothpaste before, but here's a crazy thing. I'm gonna cut this right here. Okay, so anyhow, I just brushed my teeth. I don't know if this is kind of gross or what, but I needed to show this to you. But anyhow, after you brush your teeth, it turns white. So there you go. Just another one of those little bizarre things in Thailand. Black toothpaste that turns white when you brush your teeth. I don't know. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. I'll find something else that's bizarre about Thailand that I really love and share it with you. All right. Thanks.